everyone. I am Asir, one of the designers. I'm going to present the system to you today. We have the main board here connected directly to the internet through this Ethernet connector, and we have the RF controller so that the main board will communicate to the other boards through this RF transceiver. We have also on the main board the main controller, the BEC microcontroller. This microcontroller will hold the data so that action may be taken while you are out of your home. You are not in home. We have also the alarm system connected to the main board. We have also some of the sensors like the temperature and the light sensor. Okay, let's move to another circuit here. We have the light control circuit. It is we have it in a box because it has electric AC current, so we put it in a box in order not to get electrified or something. We have also the light bulb installed and connected to the circuit. It also has the RF transceiver to communicate with the other boards. What other circuits we have? We have the motor control circuit. This circuit is connected to any DC motors in the room, like in a DC fan or the curtain motors. Okay, let's move to the other circuit here. We have the PIR circuit. This circuit will send a signal once we have someone entering the room or entering the range of the PIR. Okay, let me show you how the application works. When we first, sorry for the Arabic version, this is the only version we have till now, but we are going to build another English version. We have the light controller here. We may control the light through this track. As you can see here, I have chosen light intensity from this track, and it reflects on the light bulb. Also, we have the modes here, so I can choose them automatically. For example, there is a sleep mode where the light is going to dim, and we have study mode. The light is going to get more intense, and I'm going back to the sleep mode. As you can see, we are controlling the light from our Android application. We may also control it manually from this track. We can increase the intensity and decrease it manually until even we close it off. Okay, what else we have? We have the fan. We can control the fan. As you can see, here's the fan and here's the button. I can start the fan or even close it. What also we have is the curtains. We may control the different curtains in the different room with these buttons. So I'm going to open it and close it. This is just a demo version. We are going to enhance the functionality afterwards. Also, we may control the buzzer or the alarm manually from this button. And we have here, as you can see, the temperature reading in the top of our application. What also we have is the camera. We can see a live stream from the camera, and we still can control the different actions during watching the room. Okay, here's another feature of our application, the smart links. What we have here is that we can add a smart link between two sensors and two targets, sensors and actuators. Let's choose, for example, the motion sensor, and the target will be the light. And we are going to the details. When the motion happens, I'm going to turn on the light, and I'm going to increase the intensity of the light. You can also choose the intensity, the intended intensity of the light. Okay, now I'm going to send this action to the main board so that when someone enters the room, the lights should go on with a specific configured intensity. Now let me intervene the motion sensor. As you can see here, once I move my hand in front of the motion sensor, the main board will send the action to the light bulb to turn on. Okay, let me have another action. Another example of a smart link. We will have another sensor, for example, the temperature sensor. And this time I'm going to choose that I want to control the light. What I'm going to do with the light, I'm going to turn it off. What the required temperature to turn the light off, let's say, for example, I will set it to 31. Okay. Now I'm going to send the action. I will set another action. I'm going to choose this time also the heat sensor. And I'm going to choose this time the fan. What I'm going to do is that when the temperature goes to 31, the same temperature, I'm going to open the fan or activate the fan. I will activate this action. Now I have two actions set on my application. I will close the application and see what happens. I'll turn off the application and see what happens. When I try to heat the sensor to reach 31 degrees Celsius, I should see the light turning off and the fan turning on. I will heat up the sensor with my hand because this is the only option I have now till it would reach 31 degree. Here what we have the light turned off and the fan turning on. Till now we don't have that kind of feedback from the mainboard to the application, so I will turn off the fan manually from the application. And here's another version in our application. Here's another feature of our application. We can control the camera from our application also as well, and we can maximize it so that it will take the full screen. As you can see, my hands moving in front of the camera. Here's the camera installed. Not only viewing the camera, but you may also move the camera as we have the arrows installed in the screen, and we may also return to the normal mode. We may control the light. Sorry, we don't have that feedback from the mainboard to the application. As you can see, here's the overview of the application. Thank you for watching.